I'm Uda Mackenzie. I teach at Elia. I've been teaching here for about 6 years now, almost. I grew up in Jamaica. I went to school in Jamaica. We didn't have, during my time, we didn't have a lot of technology. I only started using technology when I started teaching, so I wish I was introduced to it earlier. The kids were doing some coding and programming robots. They were working as in pairs or as a team, I would say. And young kids at this age needs to be exploring technology. I think our vice principal forwarded us a communication from the company, I think.
Yeah.
And some of us said, wow, this is a good opportunity for our kids. So we just grab onto it. Our kids, they learn better from their peers,
Yeah.
and especially with the technology, and to see, for example, you being a grade 10 student, bringing that level of maturity and the way you handle the kids and teaching them, that is good, and I think that's something that they look up to, right, and will emulate.